I just started bawling. It just no, it was
Late to your left.
Thank you so much. Right this way?
Okay.
Right this way, please. I love your hat.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
También.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. Evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Yeah, sim.
Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Which one?
Right there.
Oh, that way. Okay. Okay.
Row 3.
Row 3? Okay.
Say enjoy the ride. It'll probably be your last.
Welcome to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Once on board the elevator, seatbelts will go from left to right and left to right only. Make sure you hold on to anything or anyone you wish to keep. All bags will come off and go on the floor of the elevator.
To our valued guests, for your safety
Row 6
once
all the
on
way up to
board,
the top left.
please remain seated with
Row
your
5 up to the
seatbelt
top right.
fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times.
3 middle right.
And do take special care to supervise your
Row
children.
2 front left.
Thank you.
And everyone, both hands up in the air for me, both hands all the way up. Wave them back and forth. I'm so glad you're waving your final goodbye.
So much fun.
You are the passengers in a motion common elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest points of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please do come back and see us again. Thank you.
thank you all for choosing the Hollywood Tower Hotel as your last resort. Right, it's right for checkout.
I know.